Today, let's talk about Foxgirl Token. You're gonna want to hear this before you buy any of those tokens. I'm not the kind of person that really buys meme coins or goes into super altcoins because it's just not the kind of investment end game that I play with crypto. But this token is very interesting for a lot of bad reasons. The reason it's even on my radar is because on my channels I was getting a bunch of bots that were actually spamming saying, go buy Foxgirl Token. And obviously that's a red flag when you have bots trying to tell somebody to buy a crypto. And if you're a legitimate program, I don't think you need bots. So of course this sparks my interest. I want to look into it now. Why do they have bots trying to tell you to buy it? So of course I Google search the token and see what are other people saying. And anyone saying nice things about the project, it seems so generic, and still it seems like bots. It seems like bots are giving all the good reviews for this token. But very quickly after I started my research, I ran into a channel called Zombie Crypto, and this is where the story gets seriously interesting and kind of messed up. I'm going to put Zombie Crypto's information right here just so you can see like his YouTube, TikTok, everything like that. He's a fantastic person, by the way. But he started looking into Foxgirl Token much earlier than me, and his story after looking into it is pretty crazy. Zombie Crypto started making videos on Foxgirl Token and was bringing up concerns and questions that were legitimate that bothered him and that he said there are no answers to. The devs on Foxgirl Token then see the videos made by Zombie Crypto. They then proceed to change their website to have the information that he was saying was lacking and that it bothered him that it lacked, then go on his actual channel and content and call him out for being a liar. But luckily for us, Zombie Crypto was on top of his game and was documenting everything as it was happening. And Zombie Crypto, by the way, was more than polite the entire time, and the devs were not only unprofessional and just really rude, but they also make this really petty comeback video of like trying to show him that he's wrong, and it was just weird. And if you want to look like a legitimate blockchain technology, then you need a better PR team because you are looking really sketchy. But it gets worse. Zombie Crypto actually joined Foxgirl Token's Telegram group. And he catches them in the act, and you can see he documents all of this. He catches the admins telling their 4,000 plus followers to go mass spam his account. And of course, his TikTok account actually does get taken down for 2 days. He was banned for 2 days. But they're also the kind of people that they have admins that promote Discord raids or mass reports, and it's just sketchy. I'm not even going into the technicals about why I don't think it's going to be a successful token, but if they're a legitimate group of devs, this is the most unprofessional devs I've legit ever seen. And I don't know, is all the meme coin devs like this? I don't know. I've never looked into meme coins or coins like this that are super altcoins. But it honestly astonished me seeing the countless things that they say on their Telegram and just the really sketchy things that they do. Why do you need bots to promote your token? Why do you get so mad when people question the legitimacy of your coin when that is a totally normal thing to do in this space, by the way? And they work so hard to silence people who question them. I mean, we literally just had a massive Squid Game token scam go on where the rug was pulled. And they, in their own Telegram, if anyone asks, is this a rug pull scam, they will insta-ban you. That is not a way to make you look like you're innocent. That is the only way to make you look even more guilty. They look like rug pull scammers just from the way they act. First of all, I don't believe in their algorithm. I think it's a poorly written algorithm the way they're trying to go. Their white paper to me is not impressive, and I don't think it's going to go anywhere. And I felt that way before I even saw how much of jerks these devs were. I mean, seriously, if they are responding like this to other content creators who even look at them funny and say, hey, you need to answer a couple questions, you know, the guys who made Cardano or Ethereum, they had answers. They were able to respond respectfully and professionally. That goes for any software. But not everyone is so easily bullied. And if anything, that is a great way to piss some people off, and I'm one of them. But no, I do not think they're a legitimate platform, and even if they were, I don't think they're going to be successful. But especially if they were real, I don't believe they're real at all because of how they've reacted. Personally, I was sketched out in a couple ways from the beginning when looking into the coin, but I wouldn't have cared or really called them a scam if they had not responded the way they did or treated Zombie Crypto this way. I don't even know Zombie Crypto. I literally ran into his account and his amazing content just the other day when I was looking into this. And I got mad for him, because that is so wrong that you silence and bully people for asking legitimate questions. Last thing, I don't know if it's just funny to me, but I think it's a little humorous that in their own white paper, they say that they want to be the next LinkedIn of crypto and new projects coming up. LinkedIn is a very professional site. I have a hard time believing the next LinkedIn is going to be called Foxgirl. Seriously, if they're real, they need a new PR team and they need somebody to help them choosing names too. I mean, just the whole thing to me is just crazy. And I'm going to put Zombie Crypto's 3 videos he's made so far on the topic down in the description. And by the way, he is also planning on making more videos, so I'm excited to see what he has looked into and found out. So let's speak up for Zombie Crypto for, posting real information and not just shilling out a meme coin. But let me tell you, the reason Zombie Crypto didn't back down is you gotta realize most people who are in crypto, especially those that are knowledgeable, man, we've been through it all. And we really believe in the projects that we believe in. We really believe in blockchain in general. We are not easily bullied. If anything, you punch the wrong person in our community, we come back hitting twice as hard. So, good luck trying to bully more people. But if you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell as well. That way you always know whenever I make a new video. So, good luck trying to bully more people, Foxgirl Token.